The following presentation will show you our LPG kit that is a dual fuel system. The components are sold individually or they are installed by our company, AFS.
On the inside is this thing that's about the size of a half gallon.
Okay.
Okay, when you start the car, it starts on gasoline. As long as that's flashing, that means they're still running on gasoline. As soon as it checks the system or whatever, it will. These buttons at the top will tell us how much fuel is in the. So now I'm at a quarter of a tank, and now we're on propane. We just switched to propane. If you want to go to gasoline, now we're on gasoline. But as long as you leave it in the automatic mode, like for police, they said, well, what if we jump in a cold car, we're in pursuit mode, and it switches over to propane. It's completely seamless at whatever speed you're going. And that's a 21-gallon tank.
Okay.
The 17-gallon version of that is small enough that you could put a donut spare tire on top of it.
Okay.
And still fit in here. We went with 21-gallon because this works just like gas tank. Go up there, you put it in, it automatically locks. You squeeze it, let go. When it's full, it stops. You squeeze it, you put it back on. That's cool. And it fills at 7 to 9 gallons a minute. So that's the same speed as gasoline.
Okay.
So no more gloves, no more goggles. Don't take pictures.
That can't get in the way of stuff?
No, actually, it doesn't invalidate any warranty or anything like that. But no, as long as it's not, one of the gas cylinders. But even that, it's just a matter of taking this off. It's just taking what I.
They only fill to 80%.
So it wouldn't really make that a problem.
That's all it is.